Yeah, g'day guys. I just want to say a massive thank you for coming across this page to my ARM system review and exclusive bonuses. This is a completely new product that I'm going to share with you, and I just want you to watch this short video to the end where we used this guy's system and made a quick 1K in just 24 hours. And I'm going to show you how you can legitimately copy us. A totally new way of making 1,000 plus per day has been released called the ARM system. They gave me a review copy, so I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough. The reason I'm reviewing this is because it's a very good way for newbies and beginners to make money fast. Now, if you're experienced, you'll want to listen, as this can maximize your affiliate results quickly to 50K per month. I would be doing a disservice to you all if I did not review the best products and systems that come out where you can earn quickly. And by the way, I have some incredible ARM bonuses for you. These bonuses are going to be help you hit the ground running and earning as much as $1,000 today. More on that a bit later. So I test everything before I make my reviews, and I go through the process just like everyone else. I always do my tests from a standing start as if I was a total newbie without using any of my own assets. And in the short time I had to test this, I was quite happy with the initial results, and I'll be scaling up for sure. So I just made over $1,000. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy my results. The real benefit to this product, it's a complete 1,000 plus daily method that is super easy for newbies and beginners. And the cool part, you would not have seen it before. And this also includes for experienced people who are looking to boost their results. This is not one of those recycled products that won't get you anywhere. This is new, it works, and I vetted it with my testing, as I have shown you a moment ago. It's not very often a product comes out that is brand new and works like it says it does right out of the box, and those are very rare. In other words, without a list or a website, you can get your money fast, and that's what I want for my subscribers. It's still available now at the early bird rate, which is literally pennies from what I've seen in the members area, and it's an absolute steal. You don't see true value like this every day. The ARM system is not a flash in the pan method. It's a proven 7-figure cash method you can build a whole business around. And I'm going to continue to implement and scale this as it works so well. It's based around a realistic case study that walks you through the whole thing. Whenever you can look over someone's shoulder, it's way easier to implement. And if you're struggling to get started, or you want to scale your income or even your existing affiliate results, the ARM system will get the job done fast and consistently. So we're just over here on the sales page, guys, where the ARM system is a legitimate, we're high earning sales funnels, and you get these funnels that generate over 7 figures in revenue. So you're going to get the direct access to this. Now, this is where you come over and you're going to purchase it in order to claim my exclusive bonuses. And when you do, you just want to simply click on this add to cart, and there's there's limited copies left. So, and every time obviously someone buys it, there's going to be it goes up by a penny. So the quicker you can secure your bonuses, the quicker you can get in and start generating income. And this is very much a very proven product. This is straight out of Warrior Plus. $1.1 million. These are legitimate earnings. And in another system as well, $240,000. So you can literally use these funnels that Kevin is exposing to you, and he basically walks you over the shoulder with this, and I'll show you inside the members area now. So we're inside the ARM system members area, where you guys get access to all these modules, everything about setting up your ARM system, and he gives you all the templates you need, everything in order to start getting and making money very quickly within 24 hours. Now, I was able to do this extremely quickly, setting it up like I did. I did everything from scratch, and I was able to start generating traffic very quickly, and even tapping into some of the free traffic generations that Kevin shows you here as well. So guys, it's definitely obviously stacked with complete options. It does have upgrades, and I'll show you those upgrades now. Now, as I mentioned, there are some OTOs and upgrades with this product, and sometimes I recommend the OTOs and other times that I don't. And it really depends on how relevant they are to the offer. And in the case, I really do believe they're excellent. So OTO 1 is the Pro version. The main version works right out of the box and will make you money, period. There's no questions about that. But the Pro version is an absolute monster. Like it says, you get 10x everything inside, 10x the revenue they show you, even with the cash injecting automation they provide. It essentially unlocks everything for bigger payments all around. This is an upgrade designed for folks who want to make a statement by earning those multiple high ticket payouts the fastest and keep them coming in daily. Alright, this is the one, this one's smoking hot. Now OTO2 is the 100% commissions resale rights. You can boost your profits by 100%, guys, by selling this as your own product. Without all the expensive trial and error of creating your own winning product, you can promote it as if you were the product owner itself. I always make a killing when I get these license rights. Why would I go through all the headaches when I can just market the whole thing and collect the cash? Especially with a gem like this. So instead of 50% or making $50 on $100, you earn $100 on a $100 sale. OTO3 is results with Kevin, where you get full access with Kevin. I have not seen this upgrade offer before, and I think it's absolute genius. You can pick it back off all of Kevin's award-winning products and all his upsells and all his upgrades. Basically, they are handing you the keys to a complete 7-figure business. OTO4 is the free traffic shotgun. They are going to show you how to set this up and run 100% automated. This opens the floodgates to keep the profits flying in every single day passively, where you can focus on other things. This is the first thing I look for, as it frees up your time to do whatever you want all the while you're making money. And free AI money. Needless to say, high ticket commissions are where the real wealth is made, and when you can do it on a zero budget, it's extremely profitable. They're handing you the keys to a secret traffic method here that triggers endless high ticket commissions. I can't believe they included this, as most keep this close to their chest. Okay, and now for your bonuses. So for bonuses to help you, they must be very relevant to the product, and you'll see mine in just a moment. Please don't fall for the irrelevant, useless bonuses you see from others. Unfortunately, they will only collect dust on your hard drive. My bonuses this time around are about getting you paid, plain and simple, and we want you to win from day one. I want you to be able to walk in and be confident, making hundreds and even $1,000s per day. I take care of my subscribers, and I want you to start earning consistently. So by pairing the ARM system with my add-ons, you'll be miles ahead of everyone else, and you'll be able to hit the ground running today. So bonus number one is my ARM system profit bundle plus 300 profit automators. While testing, I was able to make just a little over $1,000 quick, because I was able to leverage this very special profit bundle. Without these, I doubt I would have made as much cash that quickly. So what I've done for my subscribers to make money right out of the gate, I've bundled the exact assets I use to make the commissions I showed you earlier, not available anywhere else, and I'm handing thousands in commissions with this bonus alone. Bonus number two is a 5,000 buyer visitors to any link. We've found a new and additional underground diamond traffic source that you can tap into right away. It's perfect to start generating leads and commissions quickly right out the gate. Some say this is an unfair advantage, but it's the smart choice to get an influx of traffic to build your profits immediately. Bonus number three is the ARM Profit app. Okay, I want my subscribers to make money right out of the gate. So everything I did to generate income, I showed you my results. I made this totally automated, so you can just download and copy. This is not available anywhere else. I'm literally handing you the keys to thousands in commissions with this bonus alone. Bonus number four is the ARM system 100K in 30 days quick cash funnel. When you have a simple profit funnel that pumps out passive income, this whole process is a lot more fun and profitable. So I'm giving you the exact funnel that has helped me generate, on average, 100K in 30 days. This in itself will get you going, especially if you are new to all this and have not had success in the past. And bonus number five is 50 money-making templates. I have 30 professional money-making templates made to work seamlessly with this, and even within the profit pages that we have in our profit app, you can earn a lot more much faster. When there is no guesswork involved, you'll find it much easier, much faster to consistently earn commissions. Bonus number six is the 900-day emergency cash strategy. You'll get exclusive access to our 900 in a day emergency cash day hack. Generating this is done from scratch and is hands down, it's just the best and the fastest way to do it. We've tested this with 36 of our students and they all got similar results. It's nice to have a method like this that can bring in cash quickly, even on a bad day. And bonus number 7 is you'll get free access to the all new 7-Figure Insider Facebook group. Newbies don't usually have access to many of the underground methods that are working right now. The high level masterminds are simply out of reach for most. So with the new group, you'll no longer be able to be on the outside. You'll be looking in and you'll be shown where the real opportunities are and how to capitalize. I don't want any of you spinning your wheels, so you'll have direct access to me, a multiple 7-figure producer for 1 year. I only wish when I started that I had this kind of access and I would have found success years earlier. So how you can redeem the ARM system bonuses? Well, I went all out to provide the best bonus package possible to complement the ARM system. I want to make sure you are getting the best value for your money with my complimentary free bonuses, and I know that you are. If you invest in the main product itself, you will receive the ARM system profit bundle plus 300 profit automators, and bonus number 2, the 5,000 clicks to any link. Okay. Then if you invest in the main product and any 2 OTO upgrades, you will also receive the ARM system profit app, the 100K in 30 days quick cash funnel, the 50 money making templates, and the 900-day emergency cash strategy. All right. If you invest in any 3 OTO upgrades, you'll receive the bonuses above plus the inner circle Facebook group valued at $500 annually. So a recap on the ARM system is completely new, brand new method, super simple to implement. Anyone can do this. Everything is 100% newbie friendly, no tech skills required. You get over-the-shoulder training to help boost you to 5-figure or even 6-figure monthly profits. The method you'll discover inside is very clever, something totally new to the market. Log in, essentially add your link, and you make money. All right. Because this system is a complete A to Z system that works fast, you can quickly go from 0 to consistent daily revenue. So guys, stop buying the shiny objects and that will get you nowhere. Do yourself a favor and get the ARM system and my bonuses today. Simply click the button below to get started and your bonuses will be preloaded and waiting for you on the other side of the checkout page. Thanks very much guys, and I can't wait for you guys to start crushing a 6-figure, 7-figure income with the ARM system. Cheers.